Hello students, in this video we will see the sound of CH, means C and H together form ch sound. CH phonic sound. It sounds ch. Now we will see some words with ch sound. Ch, child, ch, chair, chat, cheat, chew. Ch in chin, ch a chest, chick. As C and K form k sound. Ch a ri cherry, check, church, charge, chart, and next is chess. Now CH is at the end of word. We will see some words like this pattern. Reach, lunch, catch. When T is before CH, it is silent. So catch. Always remember this rule. E, A together form E, reach. R, each, reach. Match. Again T is silent, so match. Beach and teach. Torch. Bunch, bunch. Next is much, such, touch, bench, and fetch. So what we see here, T is silent when it is before CH. Which word they are? Fetch, match, catch. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye.